Hi Lovies! I just thought I'd share this quick little video that I filmed the other day. It was not much of a success because you'll see as the video goes forward that we had water main break and lost our water. But it is a video that I filmed, so I thought I'd throw it out there with a food haul at the end just to put a video out, just to show you that I am still doing things and that you can still do things. Throw a load of laundry in, load up your dishwasher, go for a walk, get some groceries. And if that's all you can do in a day, then that's a lot. And that's basically what I did. And I just thought I would share it with you. And I love you guys. And I thank you so much for all of your support. There are better videos coming. I already filmed some. So just be aware that better cleaning motivation videos are coming. And I'm so glad that you guys have stuck with me and that you're continuing to stick with me. It means so much to me. I love you guys, and I'll let you just watch this quick video, and I hope that it gives you a little bit of motivation to get up and get a little something done, because every little thing adds up to big things. I'll be talking to you guys soon. So apparently there's a water line main break in the park. That's why I have no water. Of course. When you're trying to do dishes. I'll be okay then. I'll be alright. It's a beautiful day. I gotta walk out some nastiness. We dump it out in the field so that our garbage isn't nasty. Thought I'd take you with me for a little stroll in the grass, but I have to watch where I walk because I see little spider nests and bees and dog poop. I'll walk out here, dump this nastiness. Oh, I'll turn you guys around so you guys can see the, hold on, I'll back here. Look at, that's all the little baby corn, and it smells like cow poop really bad. But, and that white flower right there, we're getting all kinds of reports about that. It's called the handmaiden's lace or something like that. And it's spreading really bad here in southwestern Pennsylvania, and it's super, super poisonous if you get it on your skin or anything of that nature. So, and I heard it's everywhere where, you know, where stuff grows up. So we're trying to be really, really careful about that. Let me deadhead these while I'm out here. There you go. Yeah, deadhead my flowers. And of course we have no water. So I don't know how I'm going to get half of the cleaning I want done with no water.
But I was working this morning.
I just got a text. There's a water main break.
Where?
Somewhere in the park.
Oh, great.
Yeah.
Move.
So I'm going to do what I can. And it's a beautiful day though. We should go for a walk. Whew. Transition. So we'll take a walk while I have no water. Can't hardly do anything without water. And it's already midday and we have no water. It really stinks. And I forgot and flushed my toilet and my toilet went. And I got Mom with me. Hi! And we're gonna walk while we wait for water. It's one of those kinds of days, right guys? You just gotta roll with the punches. So after we were done walking, we went to Aldi's to pick up a few things for dinner. Aldi's had Panera soup, broccoli and cheddar, baked potato, and they had chicken noodle. So guess what we're having for lunch today? Panera at home. And I heard these were really good, so we're gonna try those too. Cool stuff. Hi guys, how are you? I know it's been a while, and I know in my last video that I said I was gonna try to do more. So I'm doing more. This video is a little special to me. I have not driven my car for over a month. It's been well over a month. I've had a really, really rough month. And I look the way I do because I actually drove my car today and I went grocery shopping. I did not have groceries delivered, which is a big deal for me. I have some heart palpitations and I'm a little anxious. My legs are going a little bit and stuff, but I did it. So for anybody out there that's dealing with stuff, I keep saying this over and over again, but I just wanted to encourage anybody. One day at a time, one step at a time, and you just do your best. You just do your best. So I have a little bit of a grocery haul to share with you guys. I went somewhere different. I didn't even go to Walmart. I went to a grocery store in our area called Martin's, and I got some different things I thought I'd share with you, and I thought I'd just throw it in with this video. I know that it isn't going to be a super long video because the cleaning portion of it, as you'll see, I don't know if I'm doing this in the beginning or the end, but in the middle of me cleaning my kitchen, our water got turned off. There was a water main break in the community that we live in, and our water got turned off. So I didn't get very much cleaning done that day, but it is what I filmed, so I didn't want to put that out because that probably would have been like a 6-7 minute video, so I thought I'd wait till we got our groceries and then add them together, so that's why there's been like a little gap in videos. So yeah, I know it's not much, but I'm determined to do a lot more this week. So I know I said this last week, but I'm working towards it. I am doing things. So today was a big day for me. To drive my car was a big deal, especially when I have not driven my car for over a month. It's been well over a month. I think the last time I drove my car was when my sister was here, and that was in May. So it's been a while, but I did it, and I did it by myself. I went by myself. So without further ado, let me show you our grocery haul. Okay, so as always, water. Water's very important this time of year. So at this grocery store, it was buy two, get two free. So I got my husband 2 7-Ups into AW root beer. We got him some Powerade because I did not have any Gatorades. We got some fresh cucumbers, and these cucumbers are actually from a garden that my mom brought me. So I have those cucumbers. So I picked my husband up an onion because he loves cucumbers and onions with, you know, evaporated milk and vinegar and sugar and all that. So I got that for him. Got some bananas. We got some lettuce because I am very hungry for salad. I got some watermelon pieces. I'm going to be eating that as soon as I'm done with this video because I want some. And here is the evaporated milk for the cucumbers and onions. I got some vegetable soup, some black olives for salad. This is my husband's junk. Some Cheetos, Lay's, Baby Ruth's. He takes these sometimes in the mornings. He likes these Dunkin' Ice coffee. I got him French vanilla. I hope he likes those. My daughter asked for some chips, so I got her some barbecue and sour cream. Yeah, sour cream and onion. I've been eating a lot of these. These are great because what I do is I bake these in the oven and then I cut them up and I put them in my salads because I eat a lot of chicken. So I've been getting these, and these are great. These are no antibiotics. They're super easy on my stomach. So I get the strips and I get the popcorn chicken. I love these ones. They only had one, otherwise I would have got more. Because you throw them in the oven, they get nice and crispy, and you throw them in a salad. They're almost like croutons, but they're chicken. And then I got another chicken strip. I love these. If you've never tried these are really, really good. If you need something easy on your stomach. My husband needed some provolone for his sandwiches. We got a ham steak because we're going to be doing ham, green beans, and potatoes. I think I forgot to show you the potatoes. I got some beef. That's going to go with the vegetable soup. Yeah, there's the potatoes. I got red potatoes to go with that ham, green beans, and potatoes. So that's what's on this side. And then there's their favorite iced teas that they get. And then these I picked up because these were 4 for $10, which was actually a very good deal. And my daughter and I love these things. You know, they're just easy lunches. So chicken and dumpling bowl. This looked really, really yummy. Roasted turkey, breast, and stuffing. Marie Callender's is the best. It's like homemade. I've had this. This is delicious. The fettuccine with chicken and broccoli. And I've never had the slow roasted beef, but that looks really good too. So, and those are great for lunches, or, you know, if you're in a rush and you need to hurry up and eat a quick dinner, that'd be great for dinner. Of course, breakfast bowls. I got some whipped fluffy white icing. This week is my son's birthday on July 15th. He will be 23 years old. I cannot believe it. I got half a gallon of milk. Tangy pork roll for breakfast. We love this in the morning for breakfast. Some chicken noodle soup. I wanted to try these. These, what are they? It's chicken breast stuffed with garlic, butter, and parsley. So we'll see how that goes. I wanted to try those. I got some garlic butter croutons for salad. A family pack of macaroni and cheese one night for dinner. Chunk chicken for chicken salad. I got more pizza rolls for my kids. These were on sale 2 for $4. And then here is the chocolate cake for my son to make for cake. I think that's pretty much it. I think that was pretty much our haul for this week. We didn't get a whole lot, but we got some good stuff. And for me, that was a big deal. For me, that was a big deal. Now, I went and picked my mom up, so my mom did end up going to the store with me, but I kept forgetting things. It was hard to concentrate, so I think I forgot a few things, but for the most part, I think I got everything we needed for the week. And yeah, all that matters is that I drove my car and I went grocery shopping, and if I forgot something, it'll give me another reason to get in my car tomorrow and go get it, because every day is going to get better from here on out. So I thank so much for guys for joining me today, and as always, whether you live in a mobile home or a mansion, just thank God for whatever he's blessed you with. And I wish you guys well, and I'll be looking forward to doing another video soon. Until then, take care of you. Bye guys.